And a very pleasant Friday, everybody. Yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday, the 8th of January, 2021. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. I appreciate it a lot. If you're into the weather and you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'll put up my weather forecast for you as needed each day when things are going on to keep you aware of what might be coming your way. Click subscribe, click the bell, and make sure you check off all to get all of my latest weather videos. Thanks so much. This, of course, is the NAM map. This is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And folks, we got a lot going on today, especially over in eastern Tennessee, the Appalachians, through North Carolina. I know a lot of people in North Carolina are wondering, am I going to get some snow as well as other places? Well, this particular map's going through 3 days, but I'm going to tell you all about that, okay? What's coming up for today, tonight, tomorrow, and what you can expect. Now, watches and warnings, hazardous weather, and advisories all have watches, warnings posted on the community page of my channel. Please click show more below this video. It'll give you a link to go there. You can check out the watches and warnings for your area. What it's looking like is heavy precipitation over parts of the Pacific Northwest and the southern Appalachians today. Below average temperatures across the southeast today. Gonna get mighty cold on us again, but by next week it should warm up again. Let's check out what the temperatures are looking like now. This is around the 12Z run for today. You can see we do have warmer temperatures down here, but Florida, you're still looking a little on the chilly side around the 12Z run. 64 down south, 60 in the middle parts, 44 in the panhandles, moving up to Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, all along here. Kind of chilly, mostly in the 30s and 40s. As we move along, you can see how it's going to progress as we go through this time period. This is up to Sunday, but let's go back some. Here we are at the 6 p.m. run today. As we move along, midnight tonight, that cold air is going to start to push in. Now, I want to remind everyone, now this is like 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon when we go back. See how that cold air started to push in? That's why these areas are going to be getting snow. And you are under some watches, warnings, and hazardous weather advisories. We got another system that's going to push in through Texas, and you guys and parts of New Mexico, you're going to be getting some snow coming up probably by Sunday, but we'll get on to that in just a second. So far as severe weather as thunderstorms today goes, there are not any at this time. So that's a good thing with everything else that's going on. As we take a look at my future radar, this isn't set for 3 days. This is only for today. I've got this set only for today because a lot of different things are going on today, and I want to just turn it on and let you know what they are right quickly. Now, we do have this upper level trough, and it's going to bring high altitude snow and low level rain to parts of the Pacific Northwest today. Now, snowfall isn't expected to be particularly heavy over the higher elevations of the Cascades. 6 to 8 inches of snow, however, are possible over the Cascades and the Northern Rockies, with some isolated amounts exceeding over the southern Cascade area today. Meanwhile, in the east, here's a big story. This area of low pressure is going to move off the southeast coast today and produce rain across the Carolinas into the mid-Atlantic. Now, heavy snowfall is expected to continue over parts of the central southern Appalachians, particularly the North Carolina Appalachians, where winter storm advisories and warnings are in effect. Additional accumulations of between 2 to 4 inches are expected over this area, and temperatures over the Carolinas are likely to drop on the order of 15 to 20 degrees below average. It's going to be cold, folks, and the area of low pressure is going to move off the coast, and the cold air will flow down the Appalachians and spill over into the mid-Atlantic Piedmont. We got a new surface low pressure system now. It's going to develop over the central and southern plains as an amplified upper low level trough over the Pacific Northwest, and then dive southward through the central and southern Rockies by Saturday and Sunday. Now, snow will spread with this system across the northern and central Rockies Saturday as the upper level energy moves across the area, and this new system may produce around 6 to 8 inches of snowfall over parts of the central and southern plains by Sunday. So please be aware of this. Thank you so much for watching and everything you do for me, folks. I appreciate it so very much. I hope each and every one of you have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. If you noticed, I haven't said anything about what's going on. I'm staying out of it, folks. I just hope everybody has their eyes open and is really doing your homework and paying attention to everything. I love you very much. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.